This video will demonstrate how to assemble the eyepieces for the Galileoscope. Make sure to refer to the manual regarding the eyepieces. The relevant items start at letter K. Make sure when handling the lenses you do not smudge them. Use the provided papers to handle them. As the diagram shows, there are two large types of lenses. The one at the bottom has flat on one side and concave on the other. And the one here in the middle has two convex sides. Place them on to each other, and as the diagram shows, place them together into the eyepiece holder with the convex side facing inward. Repeat for the second lens. Insert this tiny ring also into the barrel. Close the barrel's top half and secure with these rings. Here's your first eyepiece completed. For the second eyepiece, Again, follow the directions. There will be a thinner and a thicker lens. The thicker one, the convex one, is here on the left, and the thinner one is on the right. Place the concave one on top of the convex one and place them in the order as you see in the instructions. Close the eyepiece and secure with a ring. As the instructions show, there are two ways of using the second eyepiece. One way is to use it in combination with the first one by inserting both into the Berlo tube. The second way is to secure it as its own eyepiece. Finally, just insert them into the telescope. Try all combinations and see how that affects the image.